Solid talaga. I mean, alam nila yung conditions ng heroes nila, yung dapat yun ang gawin. I mean, even at game 1, kahit na-stump kami, they were constantly trying to find ways para makagamit yung hero setup nila. So, game 2, game 3 was very evident na, na-pick up nila yung pace, naiintindihan nila yung setups ng both sides. So, naging madali for them to execute. Nakaka-proud. But many believe yung mental yung pinakamahalaga. Yesterday we had a talk, after the match, and I said to the team that yesterday was probably the best win that we got. I really felt na sobrang gaan na pakiramdam namin sa lahat ng mga decision making sa game. And ayun nga, tinang makakaharap, diba? Sarap pagsasakalin. Ang init 20 kilograms. Ayun nga, moving forward, as long as we keep, I think, yung mindset na we're a family, we help each other, we make sure na we play to our best potential. And I think